In this video we're giving you an honest review of the Lloyds Bank World Elite Mastercard credit card to help you decide if it's worth adding to your wallet. This card targets frequent travelers and premium spenders with a competitive reward structure, letting you earn points on everyday purchases and accelerated rates on travel and dining, which can stack up nicely if you use the card regularly. Cardholders also benefit from travel perks like complimentary airport lounge passes, travel insurance cover and no foreign transaction fees, which add tangible value when you're on the move. The World Elite Mastercard tier brings additional benefits such as concierge service and purchase protections that go beyond basic cards, making it a solid option for those who want more than just points. On the other hand, the annual fee is higher than entry-level cards, so the overall value depends on how much you actually use the travel perks and rewards. Some users may find that if they don't travel often, the fee offsets the benefits, and redemption value of points varies based on how and where you redeem. Customer service experiences can also differ, and as with all financial products it's important to read current terms and disclosures before applying. Overall, if you're a regular traveler who can take advantage of the premium perks and travel protections, the Lloyds Bank World Elite Mastercard can be a compelling choice, but casual card users might prefer a lower fee alternative. For more honest credit card insights and smart money tips, make sure you subscribe and join us for clear, trustworthy reviews you can actually use. Don't forget to subscribe for honest card reviews and smart picks you'll actually benefit from.